Hi guys, this is 3DFX in the studio, and you're reading right. This will be a little bit of a short unboxing of the MX Master 2S by the company Logitech. So I hope you are with me today. Of course you are, to see this beauty. It looks like this in the box, and it got kind of a nice magnetism here or something. Snaps to the box. Don't know what it is, but it's good. And it's plastered in this cover. So if we look at the back side, we can see a few interesting things here. Like, for example, it has the Logitech Flow, which allows you to copy, for example, files from one computer screen to another computer screen, and just drag from this and it seamlessly moves over to the other computer. Pretty awesome. You also have, of course, you have the dark field high precision tracking, which Logitech has been used for several years now in a row. And you have the fast rechargeable battery. It holds power up to 70 days. It said, I'm not sure if you can see that here. I'm recording in 4K, I think, but I'm not sure if you can see it. Doesn't matter. We move on. It has a unique scrolling experience. It has these really good buttons, you know, and it has hand sculpted shape, which is really obvious when you see the shape itself, right? So without further ado, we'll open the little box. So I think we should be opening it right here, but first we kind of need something sharp, like a scissor, if it's possible. So actually I will have to get a knife. This is dangerous work. Here we go. Okay, excuse my bad tools today. Don't have any better than this, but we'll see what we can do for you guys. So the opening should be around here, and you know, it's basically a little bit of this to open up sesame. So here we can pull out the little box, or whatever it is. Thank you. Put the other stuff there, and it seems at once we have this one here. We have the USB. Is it USB-C or micro USB? I'm not sure exactly. It looks like micro. Yeah, I guess mouses have micro USB or something. So yeah, and you get the manual. And thank you for that. And we will open up this one. So let's see. So the thing was, I was choosing between a few different mouses, whatever you call it. But I went to the store and I got to feel them with my own hands, which is pretty important. If your store allows you to try them out, it's a really good idea. So I selected between this one and the MX Anywhere 2 something. But this one, definitely in my hand, it felt better. It was bigger, so if you have long fingers or something like that, it really does fit, you know, your hand pretty good. Well, I got to try both of these, and I was also interested in the Microsoft IntelliMouse precision mouse, but my city didn't have that one, and I didn't want to travel so incredibly far, so I bought Logitech instead. And we all know Logitech have incredible quality, so especially on these more expensive mouses, whatever you call it. I'm not sure. Tell me in the comments if you know. So what else do we got? We always got this unifying receiver called by Logitech, and you should be able to pair several devices in one receiver. I'm not sure how many, maybe you know, guys. I'm not sure. But yeah, I can tell you at once, incredible feeling hole in this. I already felt it in the store, and I would say I have an old one here, so you can compare. So I don't remember the name of this one. Maybe you do. Maybe, yeah, Performance MX. So this was the Performance MX. Looks like this. Looks really good. But for my hand, it's a little, you know, you see the curve. It's pretty curved. It's like, I don't know, a little, it's basically the same curve, I guess, but this one just feels better. Feels like it's a little higher. I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe it isn't. But it feels better for me, for somehow. I can't really explain why. You have the scroll wheels here, which feels certainly more, I would say, plastic on the Performance MX compared to this MX Master 2S. Obviously, this one is a couple of years later in technology and so on, and you know, and they probably gained a few stuff. Experience in creating both design-wise and technology-wise, I guess.